In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to schedule a video upload on YouTube. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube, then click on this plus option. With that, your gallery will open up. Now select the video that you want to upload. Once you have selected the video, from here you are able to edit it. You can add text, filters, likewise voiceovers and stickers. Once you are done, click on next. Now add some details. Give it a title, likewise select location, select audience. In order to schedule it, click on the option visibility. Click on the option schedule. Now select the date. Likewise select the time period and then click on OK. Now I can head back and customize other settings and click on upload. The video has been scheduled. So this way you can easily schedule a video upload on YouTube mobile device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.